It is a beautiful morning for laundry. These socks are very wet.
The sun will dry the clothes fast.
One pin here. And one pin there. I love working in the fresh air. The wind is like a big fan. Now I can rest for a little bit. A cup of tea is perfect now. Where did the sun go? The sky is changing colors. It feels like rain is coming. Oh no! That is a giant storm cloud! The wind is too strong now. Woo! I felt a drop of water. I must save the laundry. Oh. I need to be very quick. The ground is getting slippery. Into the basket you go. Oh, the storm is getting closer. The rain is very heavy today. Whew. Ugh. This is very heavy to carry. We are safe inside now. The clothes are still wet. No more rain for my clothes. They will dry slowly here. The water goes into the air. My coat kept me dry. Hey-ho! I need to fix my hair. The warmth will help the drying. This is a good temperature. Oh, The cat is dry and happy. The sun is coming back. The world looks very clean. Nature loves the rain. I am washing the dishes now. The heater is working. Well. Oh! I have more clothes to wash. This soap smells very nice. Spin, spin, little
little clothes.
Oh, ooh. This towel is so soft. I will read a story now. I am warm and comfortable. Gross. This book is very interesting. The clothes are finally dry. I am folding the shirts. I must follow the symbols. All the clothes are ready. I will put the clothes away. Everything has a place. The sunset is so pretty. Time to cook some dinner. The soup smells delicious. It needs a little bit of salt. I am very hungry now. The housework is finished. The house is very cozy tonight. I am ready for sleep. My bed is very comfortable. It was a busy day today.
The world is quiet under the silver moon.
Good night, world. I die. Solved. The laundry problem.